Formax presents the FD3300 Air Suction Document Folder. The Formax FD3300 Air Suction Folder offers high performance in a space-saving tabletop unit. Fully automated, compact, and quiet, it's ideal for processing digitally printed documents in the office environment. The air suction feed technology in the FD3300 is designed to handle heavy or coated stock and to help eliminate feed marks common in friction feed systems. Instead of an external air pump, the FD3300 uses internal fans to produce suction, giving it a smaller footprint and making it one of the quietest air-fed folders available today. Fan speed and airflow can be adjusted independently using the control panel and external adjustment knobs. In addition, the side air adapter enhances feeding of heavier stock and larger sheets of paper by providing additional airflow to increase separation. The FD3300 offers a range of user-friendly features, including touchscreen operation, automatic fold plate settings, automatic paper size detection, and optical and ultrasonic double-fed detection for enhanced document integrity. The easy-to-use 4.3-inch color touchscreen LCD control panel provides for intuitive setup and operation. Users can easily access 6 common folds and can store up to 30 custom folds in memory. In addition, the variable speed can be set for optimal folding of a range of paper thicknesses. At top speed, the FD3300 processes up to 18,600 sheets per hour, producing crisp, accurate folds. To operate the FD3300, simply load up to 625 sheets in the infeed tray. Adjust the fan speed and airflow. Choose the fold type and press Start. As seen here, the infeed tray automatically raises up, and as the air is applied, the forms separate for accurate and consistent feeding. The Outfeed stacking belt and rollers adjust automatically to keep the folded pieces neat and orderly. Common applications include brochures, menus, greeting cards, letters, direct mail pieces, and more. The Formax FD3300 Air Suction Document Folder.